Joe here with Rogue Fabrication. We want to give you guys a shop update, tell you about our current projects, lead times, and what's coming around. First of all, shop update. We've got some cool stuff that we started making a lot more frequently. This is a Delrin bending die. So this is made from, I believe acetyl is the common name, Delrin's the trade name for it, trademark name. This is for bending like polished material. So this is stainless. This isn't pre-polished, but if you're bending polished materials or aluminum, struggling with galling, Delrin dies are the solution. They actually hold up really, really well. They're plastic, but it's a tough engineered plastic. They're usually custom order. We do stock a few sizes, and they're on our webpage with pricing. If you're not bending with those and you're doing just the regular steel stuff, don't bother with Delrin dies. It's a waste of extra money. Also, one of the reasons you may have clicked on this video, this is our BMW 2002 project. So this is a 1972. We pulled the engine and trans out and a little bit of the interior, and we're about to roll it onto these scales. And we're going to get some base corner weights and a total vehicle weight. We want you guys to guess the total weight. Leave it in the comments down below and let us know your guess. The first person who guesses the exact weight within, a pound, the closest pound, or has the closest when we end the challenge is going to win. We're going to send out a free hoodie, including shipping. We'll pay up to $20 US of shipping. So depending where you are, that may mean you'll have to pay shipping. You may not. Most people who live in the US will not be paying any shipping. So just leave your comment with the weight that you think this car is in the state it's in right now. And if you want full details on that, because everything has to have regulation, roguefab.com/drawings is where you're going to find that. So let's get into some more information on our dies, lead times, and new projects. From the corner of this warehouse all the way to the other corner, most of the way to the ceiling, this is all pre-wrapped, pre-inspected dies for the M600 series tubing bender. They're all in stock and they're all already inspected and ready to go. This is how we ship dies faster than anybody else in this game. We keep a ton of them in stock, all the sizes you need, including this extremely unpopular one. This is a 2-inch, 4.5 radius, ultra tight bend. This one's basically mandrel only, but just an example of all the dies we keep, even some unpopular ones in stock for you all the time. I want to tell you guys about a brand new product. You've seen our Versa Notcher, which can notch on bends and clamp on bends. It's great. There are a few things we found that could be improved upon on it, one of them being size. This is one of the vice frame halves from a Versa Notcher, so you can see its relative size. This is thicker and quite a bit larger. This is the Ultra Notcher half. So we haven't got these fully assembled and plated yet, but I want to show them to you. This thing is sweet and it is insanely rigid. This is just one piece of the Ultra Notcher. You can check it out right now on our webpage at roguefab.com. We'll have a full video on this thing coming up, along with videos showing off the actual full build series on this car and more details on one of your favorite subjects in our model lineup, the mandrel tubing bender for the M600 series. We just shot a full video in detail on how to set mandrel position and how to get the performance you want, and you're not going to want to miss it. So let's get back to the rest of the shop. I want to show you guys the other stuff we have in inventory that you do not have to wait for. There are many hydraulic ways to power an M600 series tubing bender. Air-over hydraulic and imported is by far the cheapest. We have electric hydraulic and made in the USA options as well, but these are something that's been tough to keep around with inventory in recent months up to a year. We have hundreds and hundreds of these in stock. We will always carry an affordable air hydraulic solution for the bender. And we had these on back order for a little bit, so if you're watching this video and you've been waiting, we are just shipping the last back orders today. Another good reason for us to shoot this update. You won't be waiting any longer for the Rams. So with that being said, let's get back over to our 2002 project and roll it onto the scales. Are we gonna do this?
Yeah.
All right. It's go time.
Go time? Go time.
The drive shaft is making it more challenging. All right. So we got the total weight on this scale right here. We've also got the corner balance and all that jazz. Go ahead and put your guess down in the comments below, and we will announce the winner. Probably on social media or something like that. We'll try to, orientate, badass BMX Master 39 with whoever you might actually be. Hey guys, thank you for watching our shop update. Go ahead and leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions or information you want in the next shop update. Don't forget to leave your guess on the weight. We've got it right here. I can see it, but of course you guys can't. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps us out a whole bunch. Keep bending. See you next time.